Vitaly Laletin is already aiming for Levan Saginashvili, and he isn't even considering Devon as a worthy opponent. I know it's the camera angle in this photo, but still, we're living in a world where Vitaly has started looking bigger than Levan Saginashvili. Now that's a scary thought. Before we talk about how Vitaly is planning to defeat Levan by the end of this year, let's discuss his match against Artyom Morozov, which is just a few days away from now. Vitaly thinks that by the end of this year, he will 100% remain the #1 arm wrestler of the world. Morozov isn't even a worthy challenge for him. Vitaly said that he saw Devon versus Morozov practice, and if Devon can crack Morozov's wrist, then Morozov has no chances against him. That's why he's feeling really confident and there is no nervousness inside him. And also the fact that he was able to easily defeat Morozov on the right, and his left arm, especially the wrist in his left arm, is much stronger than the right. And judging by the way Vitaly has been answering the Levan Saginashvili question, I think even if Levan isn't going against the winner of Michael versus Hermes in May, still Engin shouldn't give Vitaly that opportunity. Why? Because Vitaly keeps on saying that yes, if offered, he will pull Levan in May, but he would rather not. Instead of that, he would like to have the opportunity by the end of this year so that he can feel better, he can prepare better and reach towards his peak. And all of that is not going to be possible in 3 months. Vitaly said that even by the end of this year, he can at best get 5 to 10% stronger, not more than that. So he's not sure how much he can improve in just 3 months. In 2018, when Vitaly lost to Levan 6-0, he weighed only 122 kilos. So there was a 50 kilo difference between him and Levan. And now Vitaly is planning on being 150 for the next Levan Saginashvili match. And Levan will probably be around 180. So the gap has been closed down from 50 to 30 kilos now. And Vitaly is saying that even this 150 kilo version is going to be in a better shape than the 122 kilo version. He was not super fit, super strong at that time. Engin told Vitaly that Levan believes he is about 50% stronger since their last match. Vitaly thinks that's unrealistic, it's not possible, but he himself will be around 30 to 40% stronger since then. Vitaly also thinks that by the end of this year, he'll definitely be #1 on the left arm and either #1 or #2 at worst on the right arm. So that's why he was giving himself a 50-50 chance against Levan by the end of this year, which automatically means that if that match happens in May, then he would see himself as the underdog. That's why I was saying maybe Engin shouldn't offer this match to him. I personally do not agree with this because that kind of thought process worked well about 4 years ago when there were not many super matches and you were lucky if you got one in a single year. But now there are plenty of super match opportunities. So even if Vitaly loses to Levan, it's not the end of the world. He'll get that opportunity one more time next year for sure. But meanwhile, if he's not facing Levan in May, he said that he's ready to pull Devon but no one else, because no one else is at his level, even though Devon is also not at his level. But since he's a friend, he'll be willing to give him a match. That's some serious stuff. Vitaly does not even consider Devon as a worthy opponent for him. He thinks that even that is going to be an easy match. That's how strong he's feeling right now. What are your thoughts about that? Please mention in the comments, like the video, and I'll see you again.